Today I am unboxing and giving away absolutely 100% free a sample of the Freetress GoGo Braid in the color 2. Hey, I'm Gowdy from the Braid Besties. Let's get to unboxing. The GoGo Curl is one of the most highly reviewed Freetress crochet braids. It's a very curly sort of ringlet wand, and we'll just open it now so I can show you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a little card that shows the product, and inside it has some care instructions. So let's just go ahead and show you the curl pattern here. As you can see, it's very curly. It's a very beautiful braid when you install it. And I'm just going to show you one strand so you can see how that looks like when you install. I'm just going to go in with my crochet hook and hook the braid like that. And as you can see, it's very easy to work with. I usually do 2 loops just to secure it, but for demonstration I did 1. That's the curl pattern that you get. It's very beautiful. And it's just as easy to take out as it is to install. And there we go. Today's sample is now live on my website, thebraidbesties.com.au. You can use the code SAMPLEOFTHEDAY to redeem it 100% free when you add something else to your cart. And I will see you for tomorrow's drop tomorrow. See you then.